Children of God, over the past 2 days, we reflected on the history of the born-again movement, which emphasized a personal and experiential faith that grew rapidly through preaching, media, and missionary work. Many were drawn to its message of conversion and a renewed relationship with Christ. While the Catholic Church affirms the need for personal conversion, it also teaches that this new life is nourished through the sacraments. There is a real and pastoral situation that highlights this difference. One of my friends, who was an ex-pastor, told me that he was always in dilemma when many of his ex-Catholic members nearing death asked for the sacrament of anointing of the sick, also known as the last rites. He said during those times he would always feel helpless since he knew he may pray for the sick person, but he cannot administer the sacrament because it belongs to the Catholic priesthood. And it made him wonder, what is in the Catholic sacraments that ex-Catholics at near death would desire to receive it? From a Catholic perspective, this request shows a deep longing for the grace of the sacraments at a crucial moment in life. This is a powerful reminder that faith is not only personal, but also sacramental and communal.